Hey, what's up everybody? This is Double Down, where we talk about everything crypto related. So I'm back with another topic today, and that topic is Coil and how you guys can earn money by using Coil on your website or YouTube. So what is Coil? Coil is a startup based out of San Francisco, and they're basically a company that helps you monetize whatever content that you put out. So content being, say that you own a YouTube channel, a blogging website, a cooking website, or any website that the public can access and the public clicks on, so you have visitors. So you can monetize your website via Coil, and Coil basically uses their API, and it's based off Interledger protocol. So Interledger protocol is a protocol used for payments across different networks. So basically it connects two different banks together without having to go through multiple loopholes. So you can use Coil's API and integrate it into your website, and when you have traffic flow, it basically monetizes whatever content you put out, and you get paid via cryptocurrency. So you could select XRP, you could select Ethereum, you can select Litecoin, and you can select Bitcoin. So a normal monetization works where, say YouTube channel, say this YouTube channel, YouTube monetizes whatever video that I put out. How I'm paid is based on the number of views. So say if I have 10,000 views, YouTube calculates that it can put this many ads to monetize my video. Based on that, Google, their YouTube's partner, will then cut me a check for $3 for this video that I put out. Just exactly how that works, Coil is integrating cryptocurrency into that same market space. So now, instead of being paid with USD, you guys can be paid in cryptocurrency. However, some, such as websites, you guys put Shopify or whatever to get paid Google ads. Instead of Google ads, you can also use the Coil API and integrate it into your website, so you can get paid for that as well. So that's one way. Now, Coil is very useful, and it's also basically everyone is trying to use it. So there's a big line to get onto Coil's platform and start using it. It's very easy to sign up, very easy to get on their wait list. Some people are getting a code, so they can skip the line and use it right away. However, some people think that monetization with USD is good, but I believe you can double dip, so you can get paid in cryptocurrency as well as get paid in USD, depending on what you are putting out there in terms of content. So let's get started. I'll show you guys how to use it, how to sign up for it, and you guys hopefully can start using it and make some money. So let's get started. All right, guys. So here is the Coil website. So all you have to do is go to coil.com. And when you first get on this website, you're gonna go to sign up. So you're gonna go ahead and enter your first name and last name. And then you're gonna go ahead and type in your email. You're gonna go ahead and confirm the email, and then you're going to select a username. So once you go ahead and create your account, you're gonna basically start using the steps to put it on your website. So now let me go ahead and log into my account, and then I'll show you exactly what steps you need to do in order to get this Coil registered onto your YouTube channel or your website. Okay, so basically now we basically are logged in. So say that you guys created an account. What we're gonna go ahead and do is, if you have a social media account such as YouTube, you're gonna go ahead and click here, and then you're gonna log in. So right here, it's gonna say log into your account. Obviously, whoever has a YouTube account is associated with Google, so you're going to go ahead and log in here with Google. Here's mine. It's the channel, and it's registered as Double Down. Now, one of the things you guys need to do is select a plan. However, I'm still on the waiting list. So when I click sign up, it's going to tell me, do I have an invite code? I do not have an invite code, and I'm still on the waiting list. So I'm still waiting for that. However, if you guys have an invite code, you guys are more than welcome to use that. Now, that's basically what you guys need to do at this point. You guys go ahead and say, oh, one more thing. If you guys do have a website and you guys want to go ahead and put the code in, here is the website monetization code. So all you're going to have to do is copy this code and paste it onto your website, and that will be how your website is monetized. So again, that's simply how to sign up for Coil, and just wait for your invitation list. Once that comes up, you're gonna simply go ahead and go to subscriptions and then click sign up, and then type in your code. You guys will be on your way, and your website or your YouTube channel, your blog website will be monetized, and you can start getting paid in cryptocurrency. It's pretty much as simple as that. So that's Coil for you guys, and that's basically how you guys can earn cryptocurrency very easily. Have content on the web. You guys can earn USD as well as cryptocurrency. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys learned something new. I will be back with more videos very soon. Thanks guys, have a good day.